Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, I am Inamullah. Today I will teach you something about shortcut commands in Autodesk Revit. I will talk about some of the shortcut commands that we used very often whenever we create any model in Autodesk Revit. But before that, let me talk about that how are we gonna pan, orbit in Autodesk Revit. So let's start. As you can see, my model is already open in Autodesk Revit. So now to pan, we have to click scroll wheel of your mouse. Now start moving the cursor. As you can see, you can pan around your model. Now how to orbit around your model? You have to click scroll wheel of your mouse along with the shift key on your keyboard. Now start moving the cursor. You can see you can easily orbit around your model. But remember, you have to click on the scroll wheel plus shift key on your keyboard simultaneously. And of course, moving the cursor. Now, let's talk about some very important shortcut commands. First command is about how we temporarily hide an element in Autodesk Revit. To do that, select any element. For example, here I will select a column. So here I select a column. Now type HH on your keyboard and you will see your column is gone. Now remember, it is not deleted but is only temporarily hidden from us. Now what's the benefit of it? The benefit of it is that you can select your rebars, make necessary changes to it according to the design. Otherwise, it would be very much difficult. Now, how to bring the column back? It is very simple. You have to type HR on your keyboard and the column is back. Now, what about if we need to hide all the columns? Now select the same element and this time type HC. Now here all the columns in my model, here you can see that it is being hidden. Now to bring it back, same story, type HR. Now let's talk about the shortcut command that how are we gonna temporarily isolate an element. So to isolate, for example, this column, what we need to do, first we need to select this column and type HI on your keyboard. Here you can see that the selected column has been isolated. To go back to your model, type HR. Also, to isolate all the elements of a same category, what you need to do, for example, I want to isolate all the columns. Select the column, type IC. Now here you can see that all the columns of your model, the same story, type HR.